Hey there Instagram, today's quick tip is about trimmer line and how to rejuvenate it when it starts to run out quick because it's all dried out. When you start to find pieces of your trimmer line breaking off easily, or it seems like the trimmer line is not lasting as long, and the way you'll know that is you'll find little pieces of it all over your driveway. When you start noticing that, it probably means that your trimmer line is old and brittle. For example, I've had this spool here. I mean, I'm a DIYer. I bought this. I've had this for 3 years hanging in my garage just because I just don't go through as much as a professional would. But because of that, it gets dry. And so when your trimmer line gets dried out, it gets brittle and it's not gonna last as long. But you can actually rejuvenate it easily. Just soak it in water overnight before you use it. So I would just take this whole thing and I would just dip this in a bucket and leave it in water overnight, and it will absorb that water and it will rejuvenate it, and it will then give you that extra time that you need, or it will make it last that much longer again. The reason this works is because trimmer line is hydrophilic. What that means is basically it accepts or absorbs water. This would be the opposite of hydrophobic, which is a term that we often hear with certain soils that can become hydrophobic, which means they reject water or water cannot absorb into them. The polymers that are in your trimmer line make it hydrophilic, so it can absorb water, which then restores its flexibility, making it last longer and not be brittle and not break. So there you go. There is your Instagram quick tip of the day, how to rejuvenate your trimmer line. I'll see you in the lawn.